to make coffee. Anyway. So what you want to do is you don't want to waste time. You don't want to waste time in anything. Get this cup. This is my coffee. You don't waste time. This is Johnny Skull. See? He's like I guess he's like the Kool-Aid man, but he's cooler. He's evil. Johnny Skull. I'll make my coffee. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you something with the coffee. I'm gonna take the pictures here. See, I'm gonna show you something with the coffee that you could do on your own. See this here. Hold up. Let me do something here. Here. See, put cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Put a little of this. A little bit of this. The coffee. Get into put John here. Hold up. Stir it. I need to switch cups here. Different cup. Anyway. You don't wanna waste time in life. I'm done here. You don't waste time in life because then you regret it. Look at that. That coffee. And you see this is a real coffee cup. But so this is Occult Kitchen. Wait, this is coffee. Let me show you. This is Johnny Skull. This is Occult Kitchen, Instagram, over 18 and over, minor edition. I'm going to say minor, because wherever you are, the state that you're in, I'm going to say minor. Don't look at minor. If you're a minor, don't report this. And for a person who thinks you want to report it, it's not for minors. But if a minor wants to look at it, I'm not in control of what he looks at, or she looks at, or it looks at, what the case may be. So, this is not for minors. Whatever state you are, Occult Kitchen, Johnny Skull edition. And I'll see you later.